Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be playing along with this page kit by Meridy Twilling. It is called Christmas Cheer and it is full of all of these gorgeous Mintay pattern papers. I have, look at this one with the wordy bits. So I have like product code numbers for the names of the papers. And let's see, I have got white cardstock. I've got this really gorgeous aqua type tone of a cardstock, my very favorite color, as well as a true Christmas green to work with. Now, along with that, I've got these thickers that are called Maggie. They are on red foam and they have a red metallic kind of an overlay washi tape in a super thick roll. These finishing touches in a teal, white, and red kind of a color. These adorable wood veneer little gingerbread men, and they have a little masking on them so you can paint the little bits. Now this sheet right here that I spent some time while I was on hold for something, and I cut out all kinds of the pieces that I was loving from that sheet because there are certain ones that kept drawing my eye. So I thought I would go to them first, and those are the ones that I chose to cut out. Now later on in this layout, I will go ahead and cut out a few more. Now here's a picture of one of my gal pals, and we were able to go to Starbucks on the very first day of the red cups, and I made her stand in front of the tree because that's what us scrapworkers do. My layout will be called Red Cup Cheer, and I'm going to use this cute cut file. So I'm going to use mixed media. So I went in and I found this Nouveau Mist, both this gold tone as well as this barrel swirl. And I have this creamies and rednecking. And these were all available previously from Not Just for Boys Kit Club. So it's one of those fun things, like you can start building up your mixed media stash bit by bit with your kits. And that's what I did here. And these colors are all gorgeous, and they totally weren't for this collection whatsoever. Now I did go ahead and tear that aqua toned piece of paper and scuffed up the edges and went ahead and attached it down to that red wordy print pattern paper. Now I did go ahead and also gut that red pattern paper because I'm going to use the red to map photos as well. Now at this point, I'm just going to go in and do some nice, easy splatty bits on a diagonal like you see here. I know it's not that fascinating, but I thought I would take you through what I have planned. I do have to say, I was so excited that we had two different winter/Christmas type page kits to play with this time around. I love the page kits that Meridy comes up with because it's might not be a collection you might think of using or supplies you would have put together, but they are so fun to stretch your creativity and play along with. I mean, she also does go ahead and create the most gorgeous page kit spreads with the same products, but we are given full license to go ahead and do as we wish with the products. So I thought I'd pop on really quickly. So I'm putting this part of my layout to the side. It is all wet, and I figure it needs a little bit of time to dry. Now this is our cut file, and I thought I would do a bit of an ombre kind of thing. I have my creamies here in rednecking. I'm going to use this as well as my Nouveau Mica Mist in Aspen Gold. And I think I'll do the bottom part with just a bit of this rednecking and do the same technique for the top part with the gold and let all of this dry before I carry on with the next part of my layout. Just thought I'd show you what I'm doing. All right, so this is mostly dry. I did have my cut file. I have it drying over there, just, out of the way. So I will have a nice big title with Red Cup Cheer, probably here-ish, not quite fully sure. So I have these die cut pieces, or these were actually part of one of my pattern papers, like I showed you, and I am concentrating on this gorgeous Christmas tree, oversized poinsettia bunch, and these nutcrackers because they're so cute. I have them. I also have like this little village cut out and all of that, but that can be saved for another day. It's okay. Deciding if I'm invoking the little gingerbread men, but they might be cuter with the gingerbread houses. We will decide. Don't know. So next, what I want to do while this is finishing drying, it's dry but not like dry. I have my photo here, which I like the idea of tucking it in a bit here, but I want to mat it a bunch of times. I want to mat it with this nice Merry Christmas, Holidays, Noel, Happy one. I have this one. I have white cardstock, which is gorgeous and smooth. And then, ooh, I can even come in with a little bit of pink from this if I do it strategically. So I'm going to do some matting. I'm going to maybe tear or scuff up edges and all that till I'm happy with my photo, and I'll be back in a jiffy. All right, so I like my placement. My mixed media stuff is dry, so that is making me happy. I'm pretty darn pleased with my word cheer. So what I need to do now is I want to get some dimensional adhesive on my nutcrackers. I just think they're so cute. And on my word cheer. So I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to get everything that I have on here so far. I'm going to get adhesive on it and get it tacked down, as well as get my title tacked down. Now the nice thing is this is foam with the chipboard stickers on it, so it will actually stick. Yay! Aren't those cute? So let me get all that down, and then we'll finish up by decorating my layout. So much fun. Okay, so let's see. Everything is attached down, and I think it's cute. It's fun. I used a little bit of this washi. Guys, there's 30 feet in this washi. You will have this for Christmases to come, let me tell you. So in the meantime, I went ahead, oh, and by the way, I did pop this piece up and my cute little nutcrackers because I think they're so cute. They're just so cute. So I do have these cute little, I don't know, there's some kind of Christmas cookie. I don't know what kind, I did not ask. So I have these little cookies, and I have some cheap craft foam here, and I think I want to pop them up and get them into my clusters as well. And I did the same thing with these little candy canes. Now, I have this gorgeous mix of these finishing touches, and I think that it looks like 4 different colors. There's red, green, teal, and white. They are super pretty. It's going to be like that thing that finishes it off and gives my layout a little bit of sparkle and shine. Now I do have, you know, the metallics already. Where do I want to put my little guys? Oh, that might be cute to kind of tuck one under here. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it'll stay. So I'm going to get these pieces popped on here. I want to do some sprinkles here, there, and everywhere with my finishing touches, and I will come on and I will show you my finished layout. Give me just 1 minute. All right, guys, I finished it up. It is fun and festive and cute and bright, and actually the photo is from this year. So this is what I came up with. I just have my finishing touches helping to go on that diagonal, and I did end up using my little Christmas cookies as the stars on my trees. I thought that came together rather cute as well. I have my little peppermint candies helping with that nice little flow between my clusters. And that is what I did with my fun page kit. So I will have links down below where you can get to the Not Just for Boys Kit Club website, the blog, as well as the Facebook group. But that is it. That is it for now. I love it. Okay, so any questions, pop them down and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Bye for now.